Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will solve this problem where we have log x minus 2 base 2 equals 2. Great. Find x. So, we have to calculate the value of x in this problem. Now, so we'll go with the orthodox method that log a to the base b is a number. Already they have given you the number. So when this number will raised on B will produce A. Okay, so let's simplify things. So it is x square minus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. Now do the factorization. We know that we cannot factorize this. So what we'll do, we'll use Sridharacharya rule. Okay, so it goes this way: minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now look at this. This is 20 root 20. So 5 4 times 20. So can I say that it is 2 plus minus 2 root 5 base 2, or can I say that 1 plus root 5 1 minus root 5? Okay, so this is the value of x. I hope it is clear. Now let's try to solve this problem. Log x base 2 plus log x minus 2 base 2 equals x. So here what we will do, we will use the property which is log m plus log n, which is log mn. So first use the property, so it is log x minus 2 base 2 equals to 2. Okay, now if you will observe, don't you think this question already we guys have solved? So both look alike. So you know that we will do certain manipulations, and finally we will be writing 1 plus root 5 and 1 minus root 5, correct? And we will feel that both are the answer of this question. But try to understand this part, like this is not the correct answer. Look at this. You know that log a to the base b is a number when raised on b produces a for all a and b to be greater than 0, and b cannot be equal to 1. So this definition you have to take care all the time. Now you know that the value of root 4 is 2, so this must be greater than 2. So can I assume this to be 2.2? So 2.2 plus 1, so it is 3.2. So this is 3.2. Now 3.2 multiplied by 3.2 minus 2, so it is 1.2. So positive number multiplied by positive number will become positive number. So for this space, this number is valid. So this answer is 100% correct. Okay, now look at this. Here it is also 3.2. Look at this. 3.2, okay, positive number, most comfortable. 3.2 minus 2, 1.2, most comfortable, means this 1 plus root 5 is 100% correct answer. Now look at this part. So it is 2.2 minus 2.2 minus 2.2 plus 1. So it is minus of 1.2, correct na? Now minus of 1.2 minus 1.2 minus 2. So it will become minus 3.2. So this is minus 3.2. This is minus 1.2. So both are minus. Minus into minus will become plus. So for this question, this answer is 100% correct. Means for this question, there will be two values of x which will satisfy the equation. But look at here. It is minus 1.2. Now, do you think you can afford to have minus number over the argument of log? No. Means this answer will be rejected in this question. Okay, so whenever you are claiming the answer, please check once, because it does not exist in the domain. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.